In class, we've been learning how to add integers. I'm going to show you how to add plus -6 on a number. So when you add an integer with a whole number, it's like the integer is like subtracting from the whole number. So if I were to start at 3 and I were to add -6, I'd go back 6 steps. Yes. And I'd get -3.
I'm going to show you how to add -6 plus 3 with this number. You start at 0. Since it's -6, you go back 6. But since it's regular 3, you add 3. So the answer would be -3.
Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys how to add two negative numbers, -2 plus -4. So first we start at 0 and walk back 2 from the negative direction. Since we're also adding -4, we walk back 4 more. Which puts us at -6. I'm going to show you what 8 plus -12 is on the line. So you walk up 8.
Yes.
And then subtract 12.
It's actually.
And your answer would be -4.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to add -7 plus 11. So you start at 0, walk backwards 7, and then add 11. And you get 4.
We're going to show you how to solve -9 plus 7. So you start at 0 and go back 9 because it's a negative number. And then you go forward 7 because it's a positive. And get -2.
I'm going to tell you how to add 6 plus -6. So first start at the 0 and walk up 6 steps. Once you're at the 6, you look at the -6 and you go back since it's -6. And then you end up at 0. Okay, I'm going to show how to add -4 plus 8. You start at 0 and walk back to -4. And then you would add, since 8 is positive, add 8. And you get 4.
Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do -3 plus 6 on the number line. So you would walk back, so you would go back 3, and you would go forward 6. And you would end up at 3.
A lot of times when you have two negative numbers that are too big to use a number line for, you would just add their absolute values. So you would do 21 plus 14, which you would end up with 35, and then you would, because they're both negative, you would add the negative sign, so you'd end up with -35. Then with this, you would take the higher number, which is positive, so you know that your answer must be positive, and then you would subtract the lower number from it, so you would end up with 34 positive.